vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you're trying to fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words you can say in the back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last.
Oh hell no!
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a Gemini that for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been through that, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the I'm changing, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions when I'm not evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing. I just do it all as guessing, cause I feel I got the blessing. Persistence and obsession. That's how I keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing.
What the dog doing?